Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. My name is Trevor, and today we're going to talk about the AUXITO LED fog lights that we have installed in Miss Dora the Explorer right here. Now, real quick, I want to give a big shout out to AUXITO because we have their high beam LEDs, their fog lights now, their tag lights, reverse lights, and these transform the look of the car 100%. And man, it's so exciting. I love them. But real quick, I want to show you guys just what they look like. So I'm going to show you a clip of the before, what I had from stock, to my AUXITO lights during the day, and then also during the night. Let's go ahead and get this car started. Here we go. This is what the original fog lights look like on a 2016 Ford Explorer. Honestly, they do not look that great. Look at that color difference. They do light up the road a little bit more, but let's get a look at what those new ones are gonna look like. All right, here she comes. Look at all that light. Man, these things are amazing. So this is our before with the old lights. And then we'll cut into our after right here. And our nighttime view. Dang, does that look good. Whew. She looks so mean like that. Now, let's go over here and get that drive-by view. Look at how much light that is all the way back here. Alright, there we have it. Man, the white on white, it looks so much better than the white on, it was almost like an amber, but not quite. It looked real bad before. Now, it looks really good. I know that on the video you're going to see a little bit of flashing. That's just what LEDs do on camera, but to our vision, they are solid. Let's go around back. I can't really turn on the reverse lights, but we do have them. We have the tag lights as well. And man, they light up the road in front of us every day, every single day. And I highly recommend getting some of these. You guys can use the link down below in the description. Get yourself some. Use the code ARCTICVET for 15% off of your order. And that is it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. Have a great night, and God bless.